I'm Wasteland Firebird. We're at an all Suzuki show. Zukes and coffee.
Camera speed.
I'm Wasteland Firebird. I'm here to get excited about cars so you don't have to. Accidentally informative in chaotic stereo. Wolfman Jack said, if you ain't sweating, you ain't working. But then again, he was in a Mexican DJ booth in the desert, so he was probably sweating out there. It was a really powerful station though. You could hear it anywhere in the United States if you got it at the right time of day and in the right weather. We're on our way to Wollongong for Zukes and coffee. It's an all Suzuki show. You couldn't do an all Suzuki show in the United States because what would come to it? Suzuki SX4, Suzuki Swift from the 90s,
Suzuki Samurai.
Suzuki Esteem. Regarding Suzukis, we may have started a bit of a trend. Let me tell you about the difference between the Jeep Wave and the Jimny Wave. Jeep has a wave, okay? It's like this. You're trying to look cool, okay? Jimny Wave is this. Oh my God! Oh, it's another Jimny! Jimny Wave!
Jimny.
Jimny!
Jimny.
Jimny! 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 There's a video going around online about people getting very excited about their Suzuki Jimnys and the Suzuki Jimnys of others.
It's a Jimny! 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 Look at Suzuki Jimny!
They have a devoted following. Jimny! Jimny! Jimny!
Oh my God. Now where do we park?
Beside a Jimny!
Jimny.
Jimny! Jimny!
Jimny.
Jimny! Jimny! Rhubarb! Jimny! 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 Vitara! Look at the cute little ladder. It's for babies. Grand Vitara! Muddy Jimny! Oh, old Jimny! Look at the grill. Check out that interior there. Or the lack of interior. There is no interior. Look at the metal interior. Look at the metal floor mats. Oh my goodness, it has a clock. Oh, it's so cute. Vitara JLX. Oh, now this looks like the Samurai. Yeah, so this looks like from about the time that we did get these in the US. LJ50, Sierra, Vitara. They all look like Jimnys to me. Little off-roaders.
Holden Drover.
Oh, really? So this is actually a Holden. That's so cool.
Oh no, this guy. How are you?
When I roll up and he goes, oh, it's that guy. That's what he says as I roll up.
That guy.
It's this guy. Yes, that's right. It's this guy. If when I roll up to the car show, you'd better just either be prepared for a good time or get the hell out.
Had an older JB33, which was the older version of the Jimny, and then before that I had two Vitaras. I've had a Stockman Ute, I've had a Maruti Ute, and I had a Sierra soft top. So the first club to come around was the Suzuki Club of New South Wales, which they started in 1974. And we are the oldest Suzuki four-wheel drive club in Australia, of course, but we're also the oldest Suzuki four-wheel drive club in the world. I was also organised the MC for the 50th anniversary of Suzuki or in Australia. So we organised the day for that for all the owners in New South Wales, Belangolo State Forest, which is well known for other things. And
other things? Wait, what are the other things it's well known for?
Belangolo State Forest.
I don't know what it's.
It's the backpacker murders.
Oh, okay. So it's well known for murders. Okay.
It's general manager for Suzuki Australia, Michael Pichotta, was there, and we the public asked him a few questions about upcoming models or if they could do a special model, and that's where the heritage came from the event that I emceed back in 2021.
That's so cool. We found the people who came up with the idea for the Heritage Jimny. Limited edition Suzuki Sierra. Jimny Sierra Turbo. Oh my goodness, there's a turbo in this one. Oh, it's an angry Jimny. Oh, this is the badge that I've been talking about. This retro Art Deco Suzuki badge. I almost bought one of these, but I bought this camera instead. Look at this piece here. It does a really good job of turning a happy, friendly Jimny into an angry Jimny, but that just makes it more adorable. No!
You can't get them in the US.
No,
Oh,
no.
no.
And so we'd taken the Jimny at all the car shows. And this is the first time coming to a Jimny show.
Ah, it's exciting. It's very
Do you
good.
have one of the Jimnys? Do you own
Yeah,
one of these?
mine's the ebony one.
Well, show us your Jimny.
Okay.
So you got this gorgeous badge.
Yes.
Yes, I wanted one of these. Didn't you have to order from England?
Yes, it was really expensive.
Yeah, it's hundreds and hundreds of dollars to do this. But it's worth it
It's
because
worth
it's
it.
so beautiful. Like, they should have just made it this way from the factory.
No, I mean, I still like the original one, but I think, I don't know, I like how everyone's Jimny is so different.
So what's your favorite thing about your Jimny?
Pink pipe.
So, oh, it has a snorkel, okay.
Yeah, it's fun.
So it's air intake, snorkel, okay. Hondorf, oh yes, I love Hondorf. Albury is a great town. Old Salem town, oh my goodness. Do you ever take your Jimny off-road?
Yeah, I went to Blanglo and Stockton Beach not long ago.
Oh nice,
so-
is it fun to drive on the beach?
Oh my god, literally the most fun I've ever had in my life. It was so good. And that was a big Jimny meet as well, so.
We have not yet driven on the beach.
Go to Stockton Beach, seriously. Best thing ever.
What is this license plate? You can get license plates with unicorns on them?
Yeah. All the ladies in Service New South Wales love that one.
I'm shooting the bird. I'm shooting the bird. Here, bird. Here, bird. Come here, birdie. Oh my God, look at this bird. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Come here, birdie, birdie. It may collapse. Do not step on these rocks. This is one of those Suzuki Samurai type of things too. Like I think we did get this year. Oh, you know, I think this was the Geo Tracker. Oh, there we go. This is the best color. And you might be saying, well, why would you not buy the best color? Well, it was hard to find any color, for one thing. And for another thing, I already owned 2 crazy colored cars. So I wanted actually something a little more tame when I got the beige Jimny. But this color, it's the only one of that color here. You have the best color.
Thank you, yes, balls.
And you have more than 2 people.
I do.
You must be very good at sitting at a 90-degree angle.
It's actually not too bad. I've seen your videos. You don't get these in the States.
No. Too small and probably too dangerous. You know, probably doesn't. It's probably not very safe in a crash.
No.
But no, we did get a couple though back in like the 80s, 90s,
Yeah.
and people were really terrified that they were going to roll over.
Yeah.
And one of the cool things about K vehicles is they can never get bigger. The
That's
law
right,
says
yeah.
they have to be the size. Most cars get bigger and bigger and
Yeah.
bigger every year, but not K vehicles. They just got to stay this size.
Even in Japan, the Japanese versions don't have these fender flares here, so they're even smaller again.
Is that
Shorter front
is that
bumpers
because
too.
they have to be?
Yeah, they have to be.
I didn't know that. That's
Yeah.
funny. I like these, the big wheels.
They-
Well, we got the bigger engine too, right?
Yeah,
Which,
yeah.
oh my goodness, the power that the Jimny has in Australia. Oh man, it's mind blowing.
Yeah.
Part of the fun of 4-wheel driving, I presume, would be going up hills as well as
Yeah.
horizontally and down hills.
Yeah, that's very true. Yeah. No,
It's
they're
like
great.
it's like you're going up a hill and then you hit a rock and it's like, oh no, we have the traction, we just don't have the power to go
Yeah.
over the rock.
That's very true. They have a cult following, so usually cars that aren't good don't have cult followings. But these, yeah.
Oh, I don't know about that actually. I
well,
think
there is
every
some,
car
yeah.
has
I
a
thought
cult
about that. I'm like,
following.
hey, wait a minute.
Pinto. I love
Oh, yeah, I heard
Pintos.
it. Yeah.
Ford
we didn't
Pinto.
get those here.
They would explode on impact, but people still own them.
Yeah, that's incredible. Hey.
I love Pintos. They had a Pinto cruising wagon that looked like an Australian panel van. It had stripes and
Yeah,
everything.
nice. Explode on impact.
Yeah,
'Cause
exactly.
The fuel tank was kind
Well,
of
but
close to the back.
that's a nice deterrent, though. You know, you knew that you were safe because no one would dare run into you. Oh, it's mutually assured destruction. It's like nuclear war. Your website is Mega Jimny.
Yeah, Mega Jimny.
Okay, and so you sell Jimny parts,
yeah,
and accessories.
Yeah,
okay.
I make some stuff too. Getting a lot more now into the custom stuff. So
Nice.
So these snorkels originally came with a plastic pipe. We're now doing them in aluminium and making them all funky colours. There's a couple here, like that pink one over there. That with the bonnet up, the white Jimny with the pink. That's ours.
That's hers.
And
we just talked to her. Yeah.
Yeah, Ebony's. Yeah.
Yeah. Stickers.
Got stickers.
Mega Jimny! I lived in New York City for a couple of years, and I can tell you the best city car was a Jeep Wrangler. You wouldn't think that. You think of it as this off-road adventure vehicle, but you have potholes. You sometimes have to hop curbs. You need your vehicle to be fairly small, and with the Jeep Wrangler, you pull the top down and you can look at the skyscrapers. It's a perfect city car. That means the Jimny is even better. The Jeep Wrangler was the least reliable vehicle I have ever owned. Suzuki Jimny, doing great. It's Japanese. It's like when Jeeps were small or Land Cruisers were small. This is what they were. Simple, not particularly powerful, very capable off-road. The Jimny represents something that we've just lost. If only Jeep had kept it alive. Jeep thinks they're keeping it alive, but they're not. Jeeps are massive. 4-door Jeeps are now outselling 2-door Jeeps. People aren't even having kids anymore. The birth rate is completely flattened out, and yet everybody buys 4-door cars. Ours is stock except for the stripes and the tires.
Oh, yeah.
It came with the tires, we got it used. So it has these nice off-road tires. They make a hell of a racket, but they look great.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What was that?
That's what it sounds like when we're driving down the road. It's like whoa, 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 whoa. On the occasions when we go off-road, we got the perfect tires.
Yeah.
That's what happened when we went to the mechanic and got my service in.
Yeah.
And he's going, oh,
How often do you go off-road with this?
Yeah.
And they're like, well, a couple times a year. He's like, well, you probably should get street tires. Like, no! No way!
I've got another mechanic.
Yeah, we need a new mechanic. Yeah, I was kind of liking these taillight covers. I think the taillights are one thing they just got wrong in the Jimny. It seems like a bad idea to put them on the bumpers. They're going to crash into things. But they also don't even look that good. But these will actually look good.
No, I'm going to get one of them snorkels.
So how is it you don't have to drill holes? Does this panel come off here? Is that what that is?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
the thing,
comes off.
it just comes off and then it just sticks on, and then the little screw that he was just showing me just comes around here.
Isn't that pretty unusual? Is the Jimny designed for that purpose so you can easily install a snorkel?
Maybe, I think so. Because I know a lot of the things like on the Jimny you can just pull apart and just pop something on and replace it.
Bestest Jimny in the parking lot. Orange one. Orange one.
Bestest car in the parking lot. Jimny. Jimny. That one is pretty cool.
Not a Jimny, but whatever. This one wins the Wasteland Firebird Car Show Award. And now, a word from our sponsor.
Put your glasses on.
I don't use the glasses for the sponsor part.
Jimny!
You want to scream Jimny?
Vitara!
Jimny! Yeah! Jimny!
Jimny! Bye, Jimnys! Bye, Jimnys! Bye, Jimnys! Bye, Jimnys! Camera speed!
This has been Zukes and Coffee in Wollongong. It's an all Suzuki car show, but it was actually an all Suzuki Jimny car show. What else do you want out of a car show? Than a bunch of identical cars that are not identical at all because everybody's customized them in some crazy way.
Camera speed!
Oh, here we go. Sublime Point Lookout. There really are only two things in life worth doing. Either having a good time or achieving great things. You don't have to do one any more than the other. It's up to you. how you find that balance. But I think if you find that balance, that's how you find happiness. I'm Wasteland Firebird. Thank you for inviting me into your home or onto your portable device. Have a good night. Civic Type R hatchback from a time when not only did we not get the Civic Type R in the US, but we didn't get the Civic hatchback in the US. We get all different Civics. These are actually pretty rare in Australia too. I don't see these often. I've never seen one of these up close. This is not just vanilla, it's vanilla and coconut.
Oh, no, no!
Roll camera.
Speed, camera speed, camera speed, camera speed.
Thanks to Matt Skelly for the camera work. Last time this car was registered was 1983, 40 years ago. Andy was telling me this car doesn't even exist in South Australia's records anymore because it would have been all on pieces of paper in some filing cabinet somewhere. It's almost like we're literally resurrecting this car.